All right, so let's look at another example of how we can apply our empirical rule. Heights for females that are the same age are normally distributed. In a random sample of 500 females, determine the approximate number of females in their sample who are expected to have a height within 1 standard deviation of the mean and within 2 standard deviations of the mean. Right? So within 1 standard deviation of the mean, this should make us think 68%. Right? And within 2 standard deviations, this should make us think 95%. Okay, so using our empirical rule, we come up with these percentages. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our empirical rule in combination with our percent formula. So thinking all the way back to the very beginning of the semester, we started by talking about our percent formula. And remember that our part equals our percent times whole. Right? And that's what we're going to do for these questions. So we have 68% within 1 standard deviation, 68% as a decimal, 0.68, times our total, our whole is 500. That is going to give us 340 females. Should be within 1 standard deviation of the mean. Within 2, we're going to take our 95% times 500, and that is going to give us 475 females within 2 standard deviations of the mean. So based on the type of problem that you're working through, you may be going through your empirical rule as a whole, or we could be asked to use different parts of our empirical rule to come up with different numbers of people who fall into certain categories.